It got,
just turned silent.
it got a little.
A little bit too intense. Hello.
Oh my God! It got a little tense, Steph. It got a little.
All right, everybody. All right.
Can you pull me back?
It got a little heat. Quiet.
What's up, Yokai? It's your boy, Steph, and welcome back to another Yokaishi TCG trading card
NANI?!
game video. Yes, that's right, we are here. 100 subscriber special. It's the party that you all been waiting for. We got pack openings, we got battles. I'm fighting this punk ass right here, Dang Tree, and we're gonna get it going on. Alright, let's go. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have Dang Tree here. Gonna open a pack of cards. Let's see what he got.
Drum roll.
Oh my God!
Oh!
Already?
He got the new shiny of the Nekomata.
There we go.
Wow.
I got a Narigama, a Tengu Bee, a Tsuchinoko,
Itachi,
Itachi, Shapeshift,
Lightning Storm,
okay,
Nue's Curse, Anui,
Enue,
Chochinobake,
Chochinobake,
Shisha 2,
Shisa, yeah,
Wainundo,
Wanyudo,
Sentinel Core,
yeah.
Omi Bozo,
Omi
yes!
Bozo.
Was looking for this guy. Dengi Garappa.
That goddamn Denki Garappa.
It's a Sumi. Ooh, this!
Shuten
Shuten
Doji.
Doji. It's a very good card. And a Kappa.
Ah, you got a Kappa.
I got a
one of the
really
very few names I recognize.
Make the Kappa face, man.
Who wants to go next?
Man, those are Japanese names, alright.
Get to sit. See, he made it comfy here. Huh?
All right, guys, we got Ramare Studios in the house. You know, also known as Ali Lamar. He has designed some cards for me.
Yeah. How should I approach opening this thing?
I should have brought my scissors up here.
Okay, old school. We're just gonna rip it open.
That's half the real OG.
All right, let's see what he got.
What
Sentinel,
Sentinel cool. We got.
Hitsume Kozo, a Nue, a Bell Girl, a Chochinobake, Uno, a Wanyudo, a Tanuki.
Yeah.
Oh, a shiny Tanuki and a regular Tanuki.
That's a lot of balls. Shiny ball sacks already.
We got Nue's Curse. You got that guy over there. I didn't want to say his name. We got the Uminyobo.
Yeah.
Chochinobake 2, the mascot.
Gotcha.
We got a Nurekabe Unleashed, the naked dog.
Nice.
We got a Tsuchinoko.
Nice.
We got a Furaribi. We got a Bakezori.
Bakezo.
We got an Inugami.
Inugami-san.
And a Ubura Sumashi.
Alright, not bad.
Yeah, not bad at all. Who's next? Who wants to also open the pack? Okay, we got I'm gonna get over there. Hold on. Alrighty.
Yes.
We got here my good friend Gabe. Alright, he's gonna open up a pack for y'all. This is his first pack. He got it at the party giveaway because this is a party. You feel me?
Hey. Gabe.
The struggle.
There's a little thing right here. That
Oh
you-
shit, I didn't even. Dumbass.
I did the video.
Oh fuck. No, the embarrassment. Fuck, I still can't get it.
Don't worry, the GameCrafters packs are hard to open.
Shit.
Oh, you got Raiju's Rage. We got the Ryuto. We got the Inazuma no Usagi. We got the Kodama Nezumi. We got the Hainu. We got a Chochinobake 1. Ah, we got a Raiko Kagi. A shiny Raiko Kagi.
I know this from Shin Megami Tensei.
And we got a Haha Kigami.
Haha.
Yes. We got a Sea Cucumber. I'm not going to pronounce his name.
Yeah.
We got a Tenguri. A Tsuchinoko.
Tsuchinoko.
People getting a lot of Tsuchinokos. We got a Shapeshift. We got a Sentinel. We got a Umakan. We got a Nue's Curse, Itachi, and a Rai Sancho.
Hey, that's some good shit.
Yes. Who's next? Jenny. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got my good friend Jennifer.
Hello.
Yes.
I messed up.
Oh my god.
Come on.
Don't feel bad. The packs are hard to open.
Use your gacha luck.
Word.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Oh, she got a great Nue.
Oh, see, it's already started off.
Yeah, she got a great Nue. She got a Haha no Hi, a Shuten Doji, a Yama Orabi, a Hainu, a Kappa, a Ua. Oh, that's a shiny Uabami. She got the Katawa Goruma, the Kama Itachi, and a Area, yep, a Narigama, a Rai Sancho. She got a Cursed Chochin Obake, a Sentinel Core, Nue's Curse, Tenguri, a Umizato, there we go, and Kodama Nezumi.
Cute.
I like his little hands. And next.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got my good friend Crystal here. She's gonna open a pack of cards. It's her pack of cards. All right, let's see. Oh, what are you doing?
All that. Oh, like a pro.
What?
Like a pro. Oh, shit. Ready? Like a banana.
All right, let's see what she got.
Bam. What is this?
Upside down. She got Lightning Can Strike Twice. Is it Obake Kara, Furaribi, Mokumokuren, a Wanyudo, a Switch card. Oh, she got the Kiyohime. I think that's a shiny Kiyohime. Nice. Shiny Kiyohime. The Bell Girl.
Why she look like a taco?
We got the Bake Neko.
He's cute. Ooh.
We got this Swan Yokai. We got the Karakasa Hime. Shapeshift. Sentinel Core. A Great Nue. Okay. A Garappa, the cousin of the Kappa. A Hainu. A Ryuto. And an Onikuma.
He's a bear.
Yes, a giant bear actually.
He's a bear.
Yes. We got my good friend Liz here. As you all know, that Liz Lykoi, yes, on Instagram. She designed a few cards for me as well.
I like the last one on my hand.
If you guys don't know, she designed the Okori Inu.
I have the same one.
And she also designed another card that'll be in a future set.
Yes. Watch out.
Alright, let's see what she got here.
Keep going.
Okay, she got a Obake Kara.
Why does this remind me of that meme?
Oh, she got a Raikiden. Okay. A Karakasa Hime. A Tatarui Moki. A Okubi.
Oh, look, it's me.
A Bake Neko. An Eri.
This is funny.
A licking neko.
A shiny Tengubi.
Oh, how do you know it's shiny?
Oh, well, I know it's a different coloration. Also, it has the symbol right
Okay, I
there.
was looking for the shine. I was like,
Well, it's not holographic.
Oh.
I don't got those yet. Oh, Nue's Curse. A Ryuto. A Karakasa Obake. A Biwa Boku Boku. A Sentinel Core.
He said one wine was a shine.
A Cursed Chochin Obake. A regular Tengubi. Abura Sumashi. A Narigama. And a Shisa number 2.
Cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me see your shine.
Next up,
My bird.
it is my good friend Ryan Desu.
Otaku stance here.
Yes.
Oh no, I fucked up again.
Okay. Okay. Oh, Ryan got a god card. Ryan got a god card. He got the Tsukuyomi. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Check it out. He got the first Tsukuyomi, the first god
Johnny's
card.
just like looking at him and jealous.
Dank Tree is jealous. Dank Tree is jealous. We got the Hon Karikasa. We got a Nue.
Right.
We got a sea cucumber. And we got a bow known as the Yumi.
Okay.
The Inugami.
Pokemon. Card.
We got the
The
Nurikabe.
creepy wall.
Yes.
Wall.
And we got this guy.
Pumpkin head.
Word. Ikarakasa Hime. The Ausabi, whatever. And we got the Amemasu. The Abura Sumashi.
I'd be that sad too if I was that ugly.
The Sentinel Core.
Yeah,
And the Hitosume Kozo. And a Suzuhiko Hime.
Oh, I like this one.
The Bell Girl, yes. And an Inozuma no Usagi. Oh, we got the Akashita. We got the Shisa 1.
And that is it.
And that is it. Yes, you guys like the cards? Yes.
Come on.